I'm going to read an article to you now. Try to listen carefully. After I'm done reading, I'll ask you some questions about the article. Try to answer as best you can. I'll show you my answers so that you can compare. If you want to see the full article text with vocabulary definitions and more questions, check out learnwithtext.com. Let's begin. In the waters near Spain's Strait of Gibraltar, a remarkable encounter took place during an endurance sailing race that left both participants and observers in awe and a touch of fear. A pod of orcas, known as killer whales, disrupted the race by bumping into one of the boats, showcasing their sometimes aggressive behavior. This incident is just one example of a growing trend of intriguing and puzzling interactions with Iberian orcas. The orcas of the Strait of Gibraltar, secrets and behaviors. The Strait of Gibraltar holds a special significance for orcas, offering them a unique environment teeming with life. These majestic creatures, known for their striking black and white markings, have been observed displaying distinct behavior patterns in this region. They navigate these waters with grace, often exhibiting playful and curious behaviors that captivate onlookers. However, there are instances when their actions take a more surprising turn. Unraveling the motivations behind aggressive interactions. What drives these Iberian orcas to engage in occasionally aggressive behavior? Scientists and researchers have been delving into this question, searching for answers to unravel the motivations behind these intriguing interactions. It is believed that environmental changes and competition for resources play a significant role. As the delicate balance of their ecosystem shifts, orcas may feel compelled to assert their dominance or secure their share of available food sources. In addition to environmental factors, human activities also impact the behavior of orcas in the region. The increasing presence of boats and maritime traffic can disrupt their natural patterns and create a source of both fascination and potential conflict. Understanding the complex dynamics between humans and orcas in these waters is essential for promoting harmonious coexistence. The human perspective, fear, fascination, and conservation. For the sailors participating in the boat race near the Strait of Gibraltar, the encounter with the orcas was an experience that stirred a mix of emotions. The sheer power and beauty of these creatures left them in awe, yet the aggressive nature of the interaction evoked fear and uncertainty. The crew members had to think on their feet, quickly dropping their sails and attempting to scare off the approaching orcas. Such encounters have a profound impact on the individuals involved. The psychological effects of facing off with these enigmatic creatures can range from heightened adrenaline to lasting impressions that shape their perceptions of orcas. It is vital to ensure that these encounters do not breed fear or animosity, but rather inspire curiosity, respect, and a deeper understanding of the magnificent orcas. Conservation efforts are key to preserving the delicate balance between humans and orcas. Organizations and individuals alike are working tirelessly to promote awareness and responsible interactions. Initiatives include educating sailors and mariners about the behavior of orcas, raising awareness about the potential impacts of human activities, and fostering a sense of stewardship for these remarkable creatures. The role of conservation and management. Conservation initiatives in the Strait of Gibraltar play a vital role in protecting the orcas and their habitat. Collaborative efforts between researchers, environmental organizations, and local communities are crucial for implementing effective management strategies. However, managing the delicate balance between human activities and orca preservation presents numerous challenges. Finding the right balance requires considering the economic, recreational, and ecological aspects of the region. Striking a compromise between human activities, such as boat races, and the need to protect the natural behavior and habitat of orcas is no easy task. Responsible regulations and guidelines can help ensure that interactions are conducted in a manner that respects the well-being of both humans and orcas. Beyond the strait, global implications and lessons. The encounters between orcas and humans in the Strait of Gibraltar have broader implications for marine conservation and management worldwide. Similar interactions have been observed in other regions, highlighting the universal need to better understand these magnificent creatures and foster sustainable coexistence. These encounters serve as a reminder that we share our planet with remarkable creatures whose behaviors and motivations are not always fully understood. Increased research, collaboration, and education are essential in unraveling the mysteries surrounding orcas and nurturing a sense of respect and responsibility toward them. Navigating the uncertainties. The encounter between the boat race participants and the orcas near the Strait of Gibraltar offers a glimpse into the complex relationship between humans and these enigmatic creatures. While the incident was both awe-inspiring and unsettling, it underscores the need for continued monitoring, understanding, and respect for orcas. As we navigate the uncertainties of our coexistence with orcas, it is crucial to approach these encounters with a sense of awe, curiosity, and humility. By deepening our knowledge, promoting responsible practices, and fostering a harmonious relationship with these majestic creatures, we can contribute to their preservation and ensure that future interactions are marked by wonder, not fear. In the vast Strait of Gibraltar, orcas reign in their enigmatic world. We must approach their realm with reverence, allowing them to exist undisturbed. Their presence is awe-inspiring, their social structures complex. Through clicks and calls, they communicate, engaging in intricate behaviors. To understand their secrets, we must leave them undisturbed. Respect their boundaries, let the strait be their haven. We must resist the urge to conquer, marveling at a distance. Through passive observation and acoustic monitoring, we gain insight. Preserving orcas requires collective action against climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Safeguard their future, preserve their place on our planet. We must protect their habitat, allowing them to exist undisturbed. Here come the questions. Question 1. How did the encounter between the orcas and the boat race participants near Gibraltar unfold? Pause and try to answer it yourself. Answer 1. The encounter between the orcas and the boat race participants near Gibraltar unfolded when at least 3 orcas approached one of the boats. The orcas bumped into the boat, nuzzled the rudder, and even ran their noses into the hull. The crew had to drop their sails and make noise to deter the orcas. Fortunately, nobody was injured, but it was a tense and scary moment for the team. Now question 2, what are some of the interesting behaviors exhibited by orcas in the Strait of Gibraltar? Pause and try to answer the question. Answer 2. Orcas in the Strait of Gibraltar exhibit fascinating behaviors such as cooperative hunting, breaching, leaping out of the water, and tail slapping. They are highly social animals and often travel in family groups called pods, where they communicate using a complex system of vocalizations. These behaviors demonstrate their intelligence, adaptability, and strong social bonds. Question 3. Pause and try to answer question 3. Answer 3. Respecting the boundaries and natural behaviors of orcas is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures the well-being and safety of both humans and orcas. By maintaining a respectful distance, we minimize the risk of accidents or conflicts. Secondly, it allows orcas to engage in their natural behaviors without disturbance, enabling them to hunt, communicate, and socialize freely. Lastly, respecting their boundaries preserves the integrity of their habitats, maintaining a healthy ecosystem for orcas and other marine life to thrive. Ultimately, by showing respect and understanding, we can coexist harmoniously with these magnificent creatures.